Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever shopped on DHgate and run into issues like a product not arriving or being defective, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through how to open a dispute on DHgate in 2025. This process has been streamlined for better user experience, so let's dive right in and get you sorted out quickly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your DHgate account. Head over to the website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your My Orders section. It's usually found in the top menu or under your profile. This is where all your past purchases are listed. Next, find the specific order you want to dispute. Click on the order details to open it up. Look for a button that says Open Dispute or something similar. DHgate has made this pretty straightforward in their 2025 updates. If you don't see it right away, check the order status or scroll down. Now, when you click that dispute button, you'll be prompted to fill out a form. Be detailed here. Explain the problem clearly, like if the item is damaged or doesn't match the description. Upload any evidence you have, such as photos, videos, or tracking information. This strengthens your case and helps DHgate resolve it faster. After you've filled everything out, double-check your details for accuracy, then hit Submit. DHgate will review your dispute and notify the seller. Keep an eye on your email or the app for updates, as the process can take a few days to a couple of weeks. A quick pro tip: always act within the dispute timeframe. DHgate typically gives you 15 days from delivery, so don't delay. Also, stay polite and professional in your descriptions, it goes a long way. If things escalate, DHgate has a mediation team to help. And there you have it. That's how to open a dispute on DHgate in 2025. I hope this guide saves you some hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.